Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Vito. I'm here to do an art project with you today. Today we are learning about this letter. Do you know what letter this is? Goes down, bump, around, and around. That's right, it's the letter B. B. Good job. What sound does the letter B make? B. Like bat. That's right. And that's what we are making today, boys and girls. We are going to make a bat out of the letter B. All right, so you need a piece of paper and a cutout of the letter B. Your grown-up can help you cut this out. And once you have it, you are going to glue it down. All right, it's time to glue down my B. Going to trace the shape. Trace the shape.
Okay, thank you so much.
My glue bottle.
So welcome.
All right. Now we're going to put the B down and pat, 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 pat. Great job. Your paper should look like this. This is the letter B. Great job. What's next? You know that bats use to fly? What are these big things that they flap up and down to help them fly? That's right, they're called wings. So you are going to need 2 wings. Your wings could be any shape or size that you want. This is what my wings look like. 1 wing on this side and 1 wing on that side. Flap, 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 flap. Fly away. Okay, let's put them on our B. Okay, I have my 2 wings. I'm gonna put 1 on this side of my B and 1 on this side of my B. It's starting to look like a bat. Let me glue with my glue bottle. Trace the shape. Trace the shape. Good job. And now put on, pat, pat, pat. Let's do the other one. Trace the shape. And now put on, pat, 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 pat. Good job, boys and girls. You can pause the video until your B looks like my B. Okay, now we're going to put the ears on the bat. Are you ready? Let me see your ears. Good job. For the ears, you will need 2 small triangles. Now this might be something that you can cut out if your mommy or daddy gives you a little square. You might be able to make 1 little snip and cut out a triangle and another triangle for his 2 ears. Go ahead and get your triangles ready. All right, I have my 2 triangles ready and I'm gonna put them right on top, like little ears for my bat. Okay. Now, this shape is so small that I'm not going to trace the shape with my glue bottle. I'm just gonna put just a dot, not a lot. Put on, pat, pat, pat. I'm gonna do the same for this triangle, just a dot, not a lot. Put on, pat, 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 pat. Great job. You can pause the video until your B for bat looks just like mine. And then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, boys and girls, here's my B. What does my bat need? I'll give you a hint. We have 2 of them right here and they help us see. What are these called? What are these called? I have 2 eyes. That's right. And Miss Caravito got these cool eyes at the dollar store. They're googly eyes. 1, 2. Let me glue them on. Boys and girls, if you do not have googly eyes at home, you can just cut a circle I'm going to put my eyes right at the top of my top hole for my bee. I'll put one on and pat, 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 pat. And the other one and pat, 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 pat. Ooh, my bat has 2 different colored eyes. That is so spooky. All right, and the last thing, since it's Halloween time and we want to make our bat a little bit spooky, we're going to add fangs to him. That's right. These are spooky, spooky fangs. It'll give a little bit of a Halloween feel to our bee. It's for bat. So once you have 2 little white triangles, you're going to do just a dot, not a lot, and put on. Push. Just a dot, not a lot. And push. There we go. My bat is finished. Now, something fun that we can do with this bat is we can make a bunch of bees all around on the blue area. Or we can stamp a bunch of bees with bee stamps. Let me show you what I'm going to do to add to my letter B. Right, I'm just going to make a bunch of bees all over my paper. Around and around. Let me make one down here, B. Make one over there, big B. Big B. This is how you draw a bee. Let me show you. Line down, then you go back to the top of the line and you make a hump, kind of like a P, but then you just add a bottom hump, and that's how you make a B for bat. And this is a lowercase b. Maybe I'll add a couple of those on my paper. Lowercase b. This is how you make a lowercase b. You draw a line, and then you just put the bottom hump on, just like that. And now my project is complete. I hope you guys have a great time with this. Be sure to send your teacher a picture so we can see your beautiful artwork. Have a great day, everyone.